Hello and welcome to Blissmos Academy. Today we will learn on how to download and install Ubuntu. Before we begin with the installation process, let's learn what is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a complete Linux operating system which is open source and available with both community and professional support. Ubuntu will always be free of charge and there is no extra fee for the enterprise edition as well. Ubuntu includes the very best in translations and accessibility infrastructure to make Ubuntu usable by as many people as possible. What are the prerequisites to install and run Ubuntu? You need Oracle VirtualBox, 2 GHz dual core processor, RAM of minimum 8 GB but 16 GB would be preferable. Processor type should be 64-bit. Hard disk should be minimum of 500 GB. If you're looking for more details, please visit www.ubuntu.com. Let's begin with the download process. Go to your browser and type as Ubuntu download. That will take you to the Ubuntu website. Click on the same. This is how the Ubuntu website looks like, and this is the latest version of Ubuntu as of now. Click on download. The download has started here. Once the download is done, go to Oracle Virtual Machine. You need to add a new profile here, so click on new. You need to name the Ubuntu which you're trying to add to your virtual machine. I will be naming it as Ubuntu for testing. Type should be Linux, version Ubuntu 64-bit. It will take automatically, so you don't need to worry. Click on next. You need to allocate the memory size as per your system capacity. I will be allocating around 5100 MB. Next, create a virtual hard disk. Now create. You need to select virtual hard disk. Next, dynamically allocated. Next, hard disk size I will be allocating around 25 GB. Again, it depends on your system capacity. Create. Now the Ubuntu for testing has been added in my virtual machine. Once it has been added in the virtual machine, you need to do couple of settings. So click on settings, advanced. Here you need to select bidirectional in both the options. Bidirectional. In system, go to processor. You need to increase the CPU to 2 CPUs. Storage, click on empty. Click on the CD icon here and choose virtual optical disk file. Here we need to select the Ubuntu file which we just downloaded from the website. So click on the same, select the ISO file which we downloaded just now, open. Now you can see the Ubuntu. Earlier it was empty, now it is showing the Ubuntu file name here. So we have successfully imported the file into virtual machine. Click on OK. Click on Start. Ubuntu installation process has started, and please note this will take a lot of time as you're logging in for the first time. Click on Install Ubuntu. Continue. Continue again. Here it is saying erase disk and install Ubuntu, but nothing to worry, nothing will be erased from your primary operating system. So you can go ahead with install now option. Continue. Click on continue. Here you need to provide your name. I will be giving as Blissmos, and you need to select the password of your choice. Continue. The installation process of Ubuntu has been completed now. Click on restart. So this will restart your Ubuntu. You need to log in back with your username and password. Ubuntu has been successfully installed now. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos and big data related courses, please visit www.blissmosacademy.com. Thank you.